Researchers identified the remnant of the one named contemporary humans to include Leftward Africa. New date of organic remains of Israel indicates how our kind, Homo sapiens, lived external Africa about 185,000 year back, several 80,000 year over rather than the early testimony. Same new date hints how down there could be the older Homo sapiens finds to go of the area of West Asia. The new research date testimony raises the opportunity how contemporary humans interacted in some, now dead, kind of humans for tens of thousands of years. It as well fits in latter show of remnant and gene teaching how as well specify an overleaving of Africa. The researchers analyzed a snippet of a jawbone in 8 gearing, found in Mislaya Cavern in 2002. The jawbone looked as if it was of a contemporary humane quite rather than of one of the some kind of humane how existed at the period. It is just now how an world study crew has finally shown how the archaeologists' original gut ego were placed on. The researchers affirmed how the jawbone belonged to a contemporary humane by transport out calculated imaging, CT, scans of it, house up a 3D virtual pattern and comparing it in antiquated humane organic remains of Africa, Europe and Asia, as contemporary humane remnant. Individual scans as well switched the researchers to censor the fabric under the dental crowns, that was found to be unequivocally related in contemporary humans. 3 individual date methods, carried out in 3 individual laboratories ignorant of the other results signed how the fossilized remnant were among 177,000 and 194,000 year ancient. Up how, the senior testimony of humans external Africa came of the School and Kafzet archaeological sites in Israel, and were dated back to among 90,000 and 125,000 year back. The Mislaya remnant were found in a stratum comprising rock toolkit how owned to the Laval Loess kind, that was utilized in the area among 250,000 and 140,000 year back. If Laval Loess toolkit are related in the distribution of contemporary humans in the region, it suggests how our kind may include journeyed for Africa though over rather than the dates for the Mislaya content. In supplement, gene teaching include rotated up signs of previous interbreeding among African humans and our evolution loved ones the Neanderthals. We had so lot new trimming of testimony and we didn't aware wherever they adjusted, told Professor Hershkovitz. Currently in the new opening, all the trimming drop in location, an outcome perhaps as previous as 250,000 year back, that is the day of the toolkit found in the Mislaya Cavern. Yet, the previous excursions in Eurasia by African Homo sapiens provided at Mislaya are usually mined to include ended in death. Received information of genetic and archaeology propose how this day human beings residing external Africa track their origin to an outcome fair 60,000 year back. Largest DNA teaching include unsuccessful to discover testimony of these older migrations in our genes. Some show include barn lighting on while humans in Africa developed to be anatomically contemporary. Recent year, a crew announced how organic remains mined to be previous versions of Homo sapiens in Morocco had been dated back to on 315,000 year back. The is lot over rather than the usually recognized 200,000 year day for the descent of our kind, that is relying on gene teaching and fossil finds such as the 195,000 year old Omo remnant of Ethiopia. And he's probable how next show might shove the day behind the future.